Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the Earth Rhythm shampoo bar, and this is the 100% virgin coconut oil variant, and this is a sulfate and paraben free product. So if you want to know my reviews about this 100% virgin coconut oil shampoo bar, then please continue watching this video. Now this retails for rupees 449 without the tin case, and with the tin case this retails for rupees 499, and you get 50 grams of the product. And now I've previously used this shampoo bar, and this is my third purchase. This is the third shampoo bar that I purchased from the brand Earth Rhythm. So I thought of reviewing this product for you. What I love about the shampoo bar is that it restores shine in your hair, and it also stimulates the hair growth, and it also helps in deeply nourishing your hair. I love the fact that this shampoo bar contains 100% virgin coconut oil, so you get the goodness of coconut oil in your shampoo bar, and this thoroughly cleanses your entire scalp and hair and gives you a very luscious looking hair, and your hair feels more lively, cleaner. And I love using this shampoo bar to cleanse my hair, and this is an amazing product to try out from the brand Earth Rhythm. I've tried out multiple shampoo bars from the Earth Rhythm brand, and I've loved almost all the shampoo bars that I've tried out, and this has not disappointed me. This has also worked very well for me, and I love the goodness of the coconut oil inside this shampoo bar. The shampoo bar comes inside this beautiful paper packaging, and this is what the shampoo bar looks like. I absolutely love this shampoo bar, and it does not have very strong smell. It has got a very mild fragrance, and I love the shampoo bar, and I really adore this product. The 100% virgin coconut oil, it deeply nourishes your hair, it promotes hair growth, it controls the frizz, and it also prevents hair loss. It also repairs the hair damage, and it also helps in controlling the frizz and dandruff. I love the shampoo bar as this provides a lot of moisturization to my hair, and I love the goodness of 100% virgin coconut oil present inside this shampoo bar. This also helps in soothing, relaxing, and conditioning your scalp. Now the shampoo bar also contains olive oil, which has got antioxidants that help in promoting hair growth. It also helps prevent hair loss and improve the blood circulation on the scalp, and it also helps in deeply nourishing the hair. This shampoo bar contains plant-derived surfactants, and this is an extremely gentle form of surfactant derived from coconut oil. It improves the hydration, moisturization, and the texture of your hair. It also helps in preventing dryness and irritation on your scalp and hair. I love the shampoo bar because it helps in cleaning my hair thoroughly. It makes my hair deeply moisturized, and I love the nourishing effects of virgin coconut oil present inside this shampoo bar. I like to wet my hair and then moisten the bar and then apply it all through my scalp and hair ends, and this shampoo bar thoroughly cleanses my hair and gets rid of all the dirt, dust, and grime from my hair, and it deeply conditions your hair as well. I love using this shampoo bar as it is a very effective shampoo bar in cleaning my hair and giving my hair that livelier and nourished look. This is a very mild shampoo bar that is not going to dry out your hair, and if you're looking out for something which is sulfate and paraben free and which is mild, then I think this is an ideal shampoo bar to go for. And especially if you love coconuts and you love the goodness of coconuts in your shampoo and conditioner, then I think this is one of the best hair care products to try out. This is a very creamy shampoo bar that makes your hair silky, shiny, and nourished. This shampoo bar is also going to work on very dry, curly, frizzy hair, and if you have got very dry, frizzy hair like mine, then you can definitely go ahead and try out this shampoo bar. I have loved using this shampoo bar, and I'm totally impressed with the results of this shampoo bar, and it gives a very refreshing feeling to my hair after I've cleansed my hair with this bar. This shampoo bar definitely makes your hair look a lot more livelier, and it helps in cleaning your hair thoroughly. However, one thing that I don't like about this shampoo bar is the fact that it is not effective in removing oil from your hair. If you like applying hair oils on your hair before washing your hair, then this shampoo bar is not going to thoroughly cleanse your hair, because there will be some residue remaining inside your hair when you have applied a lot of hair oil on your hair. So I would not recommend you to go for a very deep oil conditioning before you apply this shampoo bar, because the shampoo bar will not be able to clean up that oil residue on your hair. However, if you have applied a light layer of oil on your hair, this shampoo bar is going to clean that very well. But in case you have gone with heavy oiling on your hair and scalp, then you have to go multiple times with this shampoo bar, as this is a very mild shampoo bar. It is not one of those harsh shampoo bars that is going to get rid of the oil on your hair very easily. So that is one thing which I did not like about the shampoo bar. But apart from that, this is a very deeply nourishing and moisturizing shampoo bar that definitely makes your hair more soft, shiny and manageable. And I love that it helps in controlling the frizz of your hair, and especially if you have curly, dry, frizzy hair, then you can definitely give this shampoo a try. I love the fact that this is a very mild shampoo and it does not give me a lot of hair fall, and this is a very mild shampoo that is not going to strip your hair of its natural oils. And I really recommend this shampoo bar to all of you. It is one of my most favorite shampoo bars, and I highly recommend this shampoo bar to everyone out there. If you do not want to use a conditioner after shampooing your hair, then you can skip the conditioner, because this shampoo bar is effective in providing deep conditioning to your hair. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.